Hi, Pete Menotti from WLA3D here, and today we're going to talk about bed adhesion. No, it's not what you think it is. If you've been printing for a while, there is nothing more frustrating than coming back to your printer after 10 hours and finding a giant mess of filament on the bed because the print came loose. Here's how you can fix that problem. First, get a PDI sheet you can stick to the bed. PDI is very porous, and when you adhere it to a heated glass bed, you get bonding between the part and the print plate, but not enough to take chunks out of it when pulling it off. PDI is a miracle worker for lots of materials, including ABS, PLA, and TPU. And now for the magical part, if you add a little Elmer's glue stick to the bed, any chance of lifting goes away. However, you may end up with a print that doesn't want to release, but that's okay too, because the glue stick and the PDI will release the print easily when you spray some water on the bed and then wipe the edges. A little rubbing alcohol will also do the trick. Either way, the liquid breaks the bond and poof, your print releases easily while your buddies are still trying to chisel theirs off the glass. Now you can also attach PDI sheets to your bed with magnets. The benefit of this is you can just pull the PDI sheet off the bed and twist to remove the part. The bad part is it'll cost you $50 to set up your printer like this. Now, there are a lot of other ways to get good adhesion. Many people like blue painter's tape. If you perfectly line up painter's tape on your bed, then the filament will hold to that and your print will come out fine. The problem is getting the tape off the plastic at the end. Sometimes you need to scrub it off, but you do get the hold. Experiment with your own printer to find out what works best for you. Anyway, I'm Pete Menotti, WLA3D. Thanks for watching. Drive fast. Take chances.